What are the differences between an exe file and an MSI file in Windows? Exe and MSI files are both types of executable files, but they have some differences in their functionality and usage. An exe, executable, file is a file format used for running software programs on Microsoft Windows operating systems. Exe files contain executable code that is executed by the operating system or other program, and they can be used to install or run programs, perform system tasks, or perform other functions. On the other hand, an MSI, Microsoft Installer, file is a file format used for distributing and installing software on Windows operating systems. MSI files are used for software installation and provide more advanced installation features such as automatic updates, repair, and uninstallation capabilities. Some key differences between exe and MSI files are: installation. Exe files can be used to install software, but they do not provide the advanced installation features of MSI files. MSI files are designed specifically for installation and provide more advanced installation features, including the ability to install software across a network or the ability to perform automated installations. Uninstallation. Exe files do not typically provide an uninstallation option. In contrast, MSI files include an uninstallation feature that allows users to remove the installed software completely. Dependencies. Exe files can require external dependencies, example DLL files, to run, which can lead to compatibility issues. MSI files can include all the necessary dependencies in a single installation package, making them more reliable and easier to install. File size. Exe files tend to be smaller in size compared to MSI files as they are only used for executing software. MSI files, on the other hand, are typically larger in size as they contain all the necessary files for installation. In summary, exe files are executable files that are used to run software programs on Windows operating systems, while MSI files are used for software installation and provide advanced installation and uninstallation features.